2 of these. Boxes didn't come out, but
The parts did.
parts did. Especially black bag. When you take it, the bag is too small for the fit in the boxes. So you want to get the boxes out without tearing them up. There we go. Alright, so these are AMFs, so what do we know about that?
70s.
Must be maybe 483. It says it's 57 to 72 XLH, XLCH, 17 tooth. That is a first gear countershaft. Comes with rust on it already.
Perfect.
Got the speedometer drive on it, so it's 72 and earlier.
Nice.
72 is the last year that had a tranny speedometer drive.
Okay.
73 they went to front wheel.
Oh.
So 73 the trannies quit blowing so bad. It's really weak on the case having the drive down there. So these have got shelf rust on them. So they went to red, white, and blue box in around 75, 76, right in that time frame. Before that they had orange boxing with AMF on it. So it looked like a 60s box, but it's actually a 70s box. Could have AMF on it. So this one being red is going to be at least 75 production, 75, 76 production. They didn't date this early stuff usually. It's not dated. In the later 70s they started dating stuff, so that's going to put us in probably 75, 6 to maybe 77 production for these parts. They weren't using them anymore because 72 is the last year, so these are replacement parts, but they're still genuine though. So yeah, they look good.
Fancy.
And these will go all the way back to
57?
54.
Oh.
4B.
Oh, look at that.
KH. That'd be mid 54, not early 54.
Got
Trap door bike. Do you have a trap door on your Sportster or your K model? Yeah, it is. Before that, they had the K model boxes. They had 2 or 3 different boxes for the first 5 years. They had 4 years. They had a whole bunch of boxes. They kept popping them things like popcorn, so they kept changing all the gear shapes, teeth, width, diameters in here. They were screwing out everything. So the hot thing to do in your K models is put Sportster parts in it because they're a lot stronger. And everybody knows Sportster trannies never blow up.
Right.
So wait until you get a hold of a K model box. They always blow up. But you just know never about those. They always blow up. Alright, that was nice to have. And these are the B variations, so they've been changed a couple times. Whatever they did different. That could be a manufacturing change, or it could be something there's made slightly different. Don't know. But it is interchangeable. That's all it matters. Alright, that's it for this one.
All right.